Cool. Hey guys, and welcome to another Sunday stream. So today I'm just carrying on with the drone of version 2, fixing some bugs that we had in version 1. Not bugs, but improvements, should I say. Version 1 did work, or is working, but there's always some room to improve. So I hope you guys are well. I want to add a battery charging today. So let's see, I want to add a battery charger, because what I realized in version 1, I have to unplug the battery the whole time to charge, because it drains quite quickly. So I thought, oh, might as well just put the battery charger on this board. Then I don't need to ever remove the battery. And I think we have space. MCB. I don't know if you guys know any other battery charging circuits that you guys like, but I like the MCB 5 something. 3 MCB. Here we go, 738. So this is the one. So here's our battery charger, so I don't need to plug my battery in and out the whole time. Oh, come on, man. There's my input and my battery. Just thinking the stats. Let's just look at the data sheet. Hey Yasir, it's been going good. Very relaxed. And yourself, how's your weekend going? We're kind of in lockdown, so nothing too exciting. I think 2K2. Yeah. program to this VSS. So let's make this 2K2. Don't like it like this. So this is just preference. Wrong button. So just adding a battery charger circuit here. So I saw in version 1 I kept removing the battery, charging the battery, removing the battery, charging the battery. So I thought, why not just have the battery charger circuit on the board? Makes life much easier. Put that there. So my VDD is my USB. We will charge it with the USB. That is the plan. Let's see what wire. So this is where the LED is. Do I have LED? I should have LED somewhere. Nowhere? I have no LED to say if this thing's on or off. Interesting. Hey Doug, how's it going? Load shedding. So are you watching this on your phone? Do you have are you using your data then, or do you have a backup power supply for your router? Inverter. Do you have an inverter for your house or just for your internet? That's pretty sick if you have one for the house. How long does it last for? Holy shit. When did that happen? Oh, I can't say shit on stream, can I? Oops. My bad. But is it load shedding a lot lately, or is it only recently? Can't believe you guys have curfew and then the power doesn't go on. It's crazy, man. Other than that, how's it going? They're planning to do a curfew here as well in the Netherlands, so we'll see what happens with that. Hey, I don't know if I should say your name, but welcome. I don't know if YouTube and Twitch actually sees each other's chats, or do they? Hey guys. Trying to see now. Oh, you do. Okay, so it shows both on YouTube. Yeah, it's well, he's definitely South African. Yeah, I'm not explaining that to the people around the world. Wow. Where are you from? Which part of South Africa? So I'm just adding some decoupling capacitors. I struggle to say that word, decoupling capacitors. So just adding my own battery charging circuit. Looks a bit ugly, but anyway, it will do the job. Tools, annotate schematic, design update. Ah, JP should have saved. I need to sort this out. So it's happening quite a lot when I want to take it from schematic to the PCB, and then let me just close all this other stuff. Guys. Always save, always save. Maybe Google Chrome is taking too much RAM. I don't know, man. Let's try again. frustrating, but it is what it is. At least they're pretty good with this. It's close to where I was. Cool, so normally a 4.7 microfarad. I just add extra capacitor in case when I make it, I want to add some extra decoupling. I might just not populate it. Building version 1, I realized my decoupling was a bit weak. Okay, save, tools, annotate. Save. Come on, so we can maybe first open it. Save. Okay, so what is open that can cause chaos? Let's go some tabs. Tools, update. No, man. Just give it some time. I'm gonna have to buy some RAM or something for this computer. Guys, this is not KiCad, so don't hate on KiCad. It's the PC, I think. Maybe I'll have to start streaming on my laptop. So let's give it some 5 minutes. How's everyone doing? Anyone working on some cool projects? So I just released the second last video of the drone for version 1. So this is just version 2. I'm going to update some stuff. Hey Krish, how's it going? Maybe it's a Discord? I don't know what's going on, man. Ah, there we go. As I close Discord, maybe it was Discord. Great. It's going to be a fun little board. How's things going, Krish? It's been a while. Guys, as always, if I click too much or too fast, just shout at me if you have any questions. So let's just place these capacitors where they should be. Probably make this a 4-layer board. I made a mistake. Save. This should be VBAT. Oh. Not very pretty, but it's the same. So I'm just trying to get all these nicely together. Be a nice closely packed board this. Yes, sir. No reason. So the only reason is that I started the drone in KiCad, so I can go over. As you know, I love LTM, but there's actually no reason. So I just started the drone in KiCad, like the macro keyboard I did in Altium, so that'll continue in Altium. So I'm trying to do a bit of both, because there's people who can't afford Altium, so I want to give them something in KiCad, and then people want to learn about Altium, doing Altium. So yeah, it's a difficult one. I would always just work in Altium, but I did this in KiCad. That's the only reason. I can take this, import it to Altium. I'm trying to cater for everyone, and it gets a bit difficult. So yeah, still playing around with how to help everyone. If that makes sense. Cool. Yeah, it is for individual. I can't. It's expensive, man. You can do it per month, but then it's about, like you said, I think it's 250 euros a month. That's a lot of money. If you're a company, it's fine, because Altium is quality. It's really a cool program. It's my favorite. But as an individual, if you're not a student and you want to just do it, I won't be able to afford it. So I'm fortunate enough where Altium gave me a free license to teach people about Altium. But yeah, if I had to do it myself, I don't know. And for stuff you want to do at home, KiCad is good enough. But for companies, I don't know, I love Altium. There's a preference. But Altium does have like their free stuff, like that circuit maker and things like that. Have you tried that or not? It's getting there. Now let's move the U1 back. So what do you use now? KiCad? What's your favorite one then? Yeah, and circuit maker's also just online, right? So come on. I haven't downloaded the new KiCad yet. I think you told me about it. I should actually do that. I'll do it after the stream. But it's still in development mode, right? Cool. Let's start routing. I need to make this stuff smaller. It's not good to do that. The problem is if you do this, guys, then if you solder it and you want to check where D4 is, you won't be able to see it. I need to make this smaller, I think. Are you talking about this? Teardrops. How did you see that I had it without going here? Oh yeah. Oh wow. Teardrops. Are you making anything cool, Yasser? What are you busy making? Get a battery connector. Where's my VBAT? Oh, nice. You're at holiday. Did you do anything this holiday? Did you just relax? Why does it keep coming back? So let's just start routing. I might do a 4-layer board. Oh, this should be on the outside. No. Let's connect and then we need to up later. It's also important to check if, like just to double check that pin 1 is actually positive of the battery and pin 2 is negative or from the motor. So let's just double check that as well. It's also better just to take this to the outside sometimes because it doesn't really matter with this low voltage and stuff, but it's nice to keep this clearance off the component, but the clearance there is very less. Doesn't really matter, but I just personal preference just to get it to the middle and not in the inside. But I think next week I'll do some Altium. So I should be able to finish this week. That's ugly, but anyway. It's because I've got this there. Yeah, okay, this makes sense. What did I do here? Oh, there's his friend. Did this wrong? Let's just see, something doesn't seem right here. Yeah, that's because I normally do this, put on top of each other. Yes, that makes more sense now. Cool. So these are normally just, no, I put the resistors on top because then it connects in and out, but I need space, and I don't want to push those capacitors too hard because the D minus D plus has to come out here. But they are decoupling capacitors, so they need to be close to the IC. How we can do this? So this will be on the inside, and this is on the outside. Nice. So there's some stuff that will have to go to the top, but we'll get there. So I'm going to make this a 4-layer board. So my ground and probably my VBAT will be inside the board. So I'm not going to route that now. If it's closed like this, I'll just connect it. So let's just do that. So on the top here, I can go board configuration. And then I can just make it a 4-layer board. And then I can say I want a power plane, VBAT. I wonder, yes, let's just do that. And ground. Now you can see on the right, I've got my power plane. So wherever there's VBAT, I can actually just go like this and put a wire. It's fine. And we can do the same with ground. Come on, why are you being so ugly? So they are connected in the board because you can see there's different layers now. I've got 4 layers. I've got my top copper. So I've got my top, I've got my bottom, and then inside there's 2 different layers, my VBAT and my ground. That means wherever I've ground and VBAT, I don't have to connect them all over the board. I can just go straight portal down. Yeah, it's just easier. It's also better for EMC, all that fun stuff. Because when you run tracks all over the board, you start cutting the planes and it's difficult. Hey, how's it going? So I try to connect easy victories first, so keeping the track short. So whatever's next to each other, I'll just connect. We're getting there. Now that has to go to my microcontroller. Let's go to the top. You can see I place it nice and close to where it's supposed to go, so that keeps my track short. You don't want to start routing all over the board, and I could not place my wires here because you cannot place a wire. Altium will not allow that, but anyway. See, that's also a bit long, but I'll sort it out. I will sort it out. I've got a VPAT measure. I should actually test it. I haven't actually tested it. Ah, that's important. Oh. I must test it on version 1. Damn it. Yeah, this also won't work. We'll move that around. It should not allow me to put wires where I'm not allowed to put wires, man. I wonder if my rules setup is correct. I'm going to do my wires last then because this is not working out so well. Now we can put a wire. Nice. Oh, my back is getting sore. Okay, so let's look at the signals. So that needs to go there. So it's working out quite nicely. I'll move this a bit. I can move this. I'm not really a big fan of things going straight like that. This just goes straight here. There's a nice one. I pull up resistors for I squared C. This is going to be a tough one because I need to get the differential singles to here. Let's see where it goes. If we go to root, interactive routing. So I just need to move this a bit lower. Nice. Can get there then. So I need to go up here and then back again. Yeah, it's not ideal to have such long differential pairs. It's slow, it should be fine. It's only for programming, it's not like I'm gonna read off information and stuff. It will be fine. There's going to be some difficult tracks. This I'll need to move up a bit. Cool, so there's my R squared C. You don't need to run a differential. I'll just make it look neat. That's a far track. This is the interrupt that gets sent, so to capture the information from the accelerometer. Need to cut my hair. Need to cut my hair. Just go inside here. Ground we're not going to worry about too much. This is a winner here. Where is this supposed to go? Got to get a lot of signals through here, so let's shift it up. Let's use all the space we have. It's overlapping, yeah, that's not good. Maybe I won't be able to get all the signals out, so let's make a plan. I can't get this out neither. I will neaten this up later. Push through everything. So this is also too close to the edge. Let's just move this closer, make space. This is basically just finding the best way to connect the dots right now. It's interesting. Why are you not pushing? That's why I can't be on top of this. Come on, get there, push through, push through. I'll fix that now. It's the other way around. So I need to get on the outside. Come on. So this I'm going to push through here. This is getting messy, but it's fine. We can neaten up later. Why are you not pushing? I don't like that it's pushing the via on top of the pin. It's supposed to block it. Because you can't have a via on top of a component, it's bad. Maybe my rules are not correct. I wonder if I can change the music. Oh. Carrie says she doesn't hear music. Do you hear me at least? Ah. Now there should be music. Where was I? I was trying to get this monster of a track there. I should be able to get through here. Get through, get through. Guys, don't panic too much yet. I do neaten up afterwards. Because this is very ugly. We've got this U LED at the back here, and every time I push on a color, so then it goes green and blue, dark blue. Gary uses it for gaming, so when she plays games, the backlight of the PC changes. Maybe I should just move this like this. Make use of spaces, guys. This also is... Why is this on this side when it has nothing to do with anything? Why not put it here? Will this be better? Because my reset can just go there. Guys, and sometimes it's okay just to, if you made a mistake, just reroute it. PCB design takes a lot of patience, guys. Lots and lots and lots and lots and lots. Hey SK, how you doing? So now block everything. Come on, you can do it. Get in there, get in there. Problem is that my GPI open. So VPAT and ground I'll do last. So, I forgot to connect this. Ground is fine. VPAT is fine. I guess I can do this. I know it looks tight, guys, but manufacturers are capable of reducing things this close by. I don't like that though. It's ugly. I'll fix it. Thank you. What a mess. So we have 44 unconnected items. 44. That is a lot. Oh, lazy Sunday. Let's just get rid of all the grounds and VBATs. I've got collision here, so that needs to be solved. Come on. Yeah, just be careful. I've got two tracks running here, so I can't just put a wire down. What's the issue here? What's the issue here? But it's connected. What's the problem? Strange. It's ground. Why are you not connected? Hey, DY Electronics. I'm good, thanks, and you? Pretty lazy. Oh, we can go on the inside. Don't know why they want this connected, because it should be connected on the planes. Ah, you still have to throw the planes. Okay, that's important. So just because I went like this and I made a follow board and I made power plane VPAT, I still need to pour a layer on it. My bad. You hired one electrical engineer to design. Why did you hire him? You can send it on Discord. Are you part of our Discord? Or you can DM me, it doesn't matter. You can email me. Whatever's easier for you. What software do you want to use for simulation? There's guys on our Discord channel that will give advice and help for free, eh? So there's a lot of people asking different questions. Yeah, I've used 502 before. Yeah, you can use Ultispice. But what exactly do you want? You want to know if the circuit works? Okay, so have you used Ultispice before? The guy you hired, where did he design the circuit? Did he draw it in Ultispice? Did he draw it in some other program? Did he use a pen and paper? Are you on our Discord? in the link below, you should be able to join our Discord. I'll just send the link again. Yeah, you can DM it to me there. You can ask the people on the group. So there are a couple of engineers with years of experience that's helping the young guys. And I'm sure if you have questions about it, they're willing to help you as well. Is it something you want to sell? Is it for a project? What made you hire someone to do it instead of trying to do it yourself? Is it for deadline or what's the reason? Post it at community projects if you want. Doesn't really matter. So general community projects, PCB design. Just if you joined already, that's cool. Just chat and people will chat back. If you want to speak to me directly, just at JP Potgieter, I think, in the chat, because I don't get notifications if it's just normal chatting. Otherwise, it'll go a bit crazy. So if you say at JP, then I'll get a notification on my phone that someone sent me a message or there's a message in the group. Otherwise, I'll just go through it and read where I can help. But most of the time, someone already answered someone's question. Is this just for a project, or what do you want to use it for? Learning, to sell? Oh, nice. I'm looking at it now. Thanks, man. That's cool. So I will just I'll also have a look at it, but it's maybe better to use, so LT-Spice is fine. Do you have LT-Spice? To learn. Okay. We can have a look at it. It's this one, right? Yeah, I'll have to. So we can use microcap as well. I think I'll put it in microcap and see what I can do for you. What IC is this? Do you know? It's just normal amplifier. Do you know what this is? When you paid the guy to do this for you, did he explain to you how it works, or did he say here's a circuit that will work? Yes, sir. I'll show you now. Yeah, but sending a bomb and knowing what the circuit does is two different things. So do you understand how everything works? Like the transistors, what it's about, transformer, the MOSFETs, why we have resistors here. Do you understand the circuit? Or yes, sir. We've got YouTube videos on it, but I'll show you as well here. So if you want to add libraries, I will check it after the stream. DIY electronics. I'll try to help you, but I hope you understand it for learning purposes. So if you want to add a what do you call it? Where were we? How can you add libraries footprints? So here on top, you can have preference and manage symbol libraries, manage symbol footprints. So here you add it. And then you can just click on this and then go wherever the library is. Wonder if I've got a quick example somewhere. Yeah. No, that's some different library. Yeah. So here you can see all the libraries. So I can just I already added this, but basically you just go presence and here's the two lines that you can add. So either footprint or symbol. So it's schematic or PCB, and you do the same. You just click on this and then choose the folder where it is. To add a 3D step model, you just have to, so there's two ways. You can either just do it on the PCB itself. So if you double click on it, get to the properties, 3D settings, and then you can add your step file here. So you can just add anything, it'll pop up here and you can add it. Or you can do it in the footprint itself. So yes, footprint editor. And then you can choose something, and then over here you can add a 3D body somewhere. Oh yeah, I think. So it's the same. So let me just go again. Yeah, you can go footprint editor, click on it, and then choose a footprint. So this is just random. And then here I can say footprint properties, and then I can add it over here. So the difference is once I do it in footprint editor, it will always be there. It is always part of my footprint. If I just do it here on the PCB, it won't be there for my next project. So it will be for this project, so it'll be project specific, but it won't be there in my library saved. Yeah, see, does that help? We also have, yeah, see, have you seen our KiCad YouTube tutorials? I think we've got about almost 30 by now. There, Kerry did make a video about how to do footprints. I'm trying to see what's there's all the KiCad tutorials, so if you watch those, but of course you can always ask me on this and I'll show you. I don't mind re-showing stuff. Let me take this off stream. Let's carry on. But thanks for the questions. I like when you guys ask questions. That's the only reason I do the stream, right? To help you guys. I can do this offline. It's the same routine, but I'm here to, if you guys have any questions about anything. It can be off topic as well. It doesn't have to be about this. I must actually check. Seems like the 3x3 is going to be kind of challenging, this one. Let's see how far we are. 21. We're getting there. Easy DA, is it similar to Snap? What do you want to do? Download a footprint from the internet? I think Easy is from JL PCB, right? And they've got their own footprints. Oh no, wait, yeah. Actually, not. I don't think you can take it. What footprint do you want? Let's just Google it. I don't know. I've never tried to do it. I see there's a website where you can take easy EDA files to KiCad. Have you been designing in EDA and you want to go to KiCad now, or what is your goal? I saw a website that explains how to do it. And yeah, Sarah, you can call me JPO. You don't have to call me so. Makes me feel old. Can I get through there? Yes, boy. Ah, JP, what have you done? Come on, there we go. How must I get this V-bus all the way there now? Oh, easy. I'm pretty sure if you've got footprints in Easy EDA will have footprints in KiCad. Is it a design you've already made or is it a design you want to start? This is going to be 4-layer PCB. Move. I made it 4 layers so I can just do this and then connect it to ground when it chooses to. So I don't have to take a track and try to find ground. Also, because there's a lot of power going through to the motors, to have a ground plane and copper is just nice for the current and all that stuff. We're getting there. Yeah, it's a 3V 3. That's not an issue, a challenge. I can move this a bit. Yeah, and then I can't go to the bottom here. Hey, Mr. JS, how you doing? Long time no chat. No worries, man. I appreciate you just popping by. Yeah, I'm back at work as well now, so it's a bit not as busy as I want to be. Well, at work I'm busy, I mean with helping you guys and stuff. How's the exams going? What are you writing? And when does exams end? Exams in January. When does your school start? Or your university or college? Is it a test or exam? Exams in January. Well, good luck, man. Hope all the best. I can't have a crown there. Ah, okay. What type of exams are you busy writing? Yeah, I can understand. It must not have been easy. Studies is hard enough, and now you've got all this stuff also happening. So you guys are trying to play catch up. Do you write the exam every day, or just, yeah, how often do you write exams? IoT, it's Internet of Things. You have a subject for that. That's so cool. What's computer communication? Is it literally communication like something talking to the computer? What is that about? Okay, Java, no. Names, yeah. Wish I can help, man, but I think if I have to write exams now, I'll fail. Oh, wow. Isn't Corona going a bit down there, or how's it going there for you guys? Okay, yeah. I understand now. Internship's part of your studies. Like I know in my final year we had to go work somewhere for 6 months. Do you guys have companies that help you guys with it, or do you have to go look for an internship yourself? Is your university partnered with a company or something like that? Are you writing something tomorrow? It sucks, man. This COVID thing needs to come to an end now. Seniors, is that like a website or? That's cool, man. I don't know Seniors. I think you mean LinkedIn. Yeah. Krish, what are you talking about? What? Text-based game for the server. What server are you talking about? The Plumpot server. Ah, college seniors. Yeah, I've no connections to help you, man. Definitely not in India. Oh, well, not India, yeah. Krish, what game for? A server on Discord, or I'm not too sure what you're talking about. Yeah, I don't know, man. Are you creating a game now? How's your drone going? Oh, that's unfortunate. Can't you go back to the company so they can just fill it in or something? Oh, oh nice. You must. Do you want to create a game? You must make something like a useful thing. So, what can make it better for people on Discord? DL electronics depends. So this is low current. So for the battery, for the VBAT, I'll make it thicker. So this will be thicker. I just haven't done it yet because there's quite a lot of current going through here. But the rest probably 0.2, 0.25. So I won't go less than 0.2. If that makes sense. So normally 0.25 is my default. But wherever I've got battery, I'm going to make it quite thicker. Because this VBAT going to the motors, it's going to pull about 1 amps. Well, at least you'll learn more, Jay. So it's not like you're wasting your time doing internships. So, but I can understand that's frustrating. Thanks for popping by, Jays. I'll probably also leave soon. I've got some grown-up stuff to do, I guess. But yeah, thanks. Good luck, eh? Good luck. let me know how it goes. Send me a message on Discord or Instagram, wherever you want to. Yeah, just try your best. Thermal management. None of these components can really get too hot. Just thinking, the voltage regulator, yeah, it's not going to get hot. It's not going to draw that much current. And when I've got so much current on these tracks, making it thicker will help with thermal. Hey, Magpie. You guys come a bit late, man. I'm almost about to go. How's everyone doing? How's your visa going, Magpie? I haven't chatted in a long time. Should swap these two. That's silly to have my differential pairs running so long. Oh wow, so it's at least some progress. Was it a bit slow because of Corona? Yeah, I remember getting my visa for the Netherlands. It's all the stuff you have to do. I might rotate this 45 degrees. Just thinking this accelerometer. Yes, sir. I normally go every Sunday. So normally this time, Sunday between 12 and 4 p.m. European time. But I wanted to ask people if Saturday is better for them or Sunday. Yeah, but normally, yeah. But I think I'm going to go a bit back to helping you guys a bit more again. So I'm going to finish this week. I think by myself, just at night time, because there's a lot of nonsense I have to fix here. Yeah, well, it's like one of the top countries in the world, so everyone wants to be there, everyone wants to go there. Creech, I think Jay's back, eh? I chatted to him yesterday and he was back. I think he's back. Yeah, Creech, try. You've got maybe the same problem I have, where you try to do 5 projects at once and then you kind of don't finish any of them. It's a weak point on myself as well. I'm sitting with the drone, I'm sitting with the macro keyboard, I'm sitting with all the stuff, but I'm not finishing it. That's very confusing. I normally go like this between them. I won't find an easy way in KiCad to actually disable things. So I can go like this, but it takes time, man. Yeah, I can use this, and I normally go like this for front and back. But it's not as nice as Altium. Hey, Darshan Narai. How are you doing? Yeah, Krish, but it's just take note of it, because yeah, it's nice having ideas, but if you're not building anything, there's really no, yeah, you learn on the way, but you're not getting a final thing. No, so Altium is much better than that. Like I'll use Shift S a lot in Altium, it doesn't work here. So just because I did the drone in KiCad, I'll probably move to Altium after this. But yeah, it gets yeah, because especially placing just gets a bit messy. But it's free. But I think I'm gonna have to just rotate this 45 degrees because I'm trying to make it. Trying to for picture now. I think it's whoop. Because I'm trying to. So I'm trying to make a PCB that I can just click on this. So my drone version 1, I made the mistake thinking that I can just worry about the housing on the body afterwards. So that's not going too well. So I want to make it fit here. So I've got one I need to measure. Actually, yeah, electronics, I actually have I've got Altium Designer tutorials, not as much as KiCad, so I'm still building on that. Let's see. Yeah, only 3, so it's been bad, but Magpie already actually did a video about that. Because Altium has a tool where you just import the KiCad. It's actually quite nice. I should do that. There we go, electronics. There's tutorials about Altium, but I'll make more. I've been bad lately, back at work and stuff. So if only I didn't have to sleep, man. So much you want to do with so little time. Anyway, so I need to get this on there. But the problem if I'm looking at this is if I connect it like that, let's say these corners go in there, then my X and Y of the drone's a bit at an angle, and I actually think it needs to be straight. I just actually have to see the information here. I assume it's X and Y or vice versa. But yeah, so version 2 is just going to fit in there and it's just going to work. Guys, don't design electronics without knowing where you're going to put it in. So yeah, I need to get dimensions of this, and then I'm going to make it just click, 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 and fly. Cool guys, unfortunately I have to get going. I have some other commitments now, and I have to get ready and stuff. Thanks for joining. Guys, just let me know on Discord, like what type of time suits everyone more, what days suits you, Saturday or Sunday, what type of time. Am I streaming too early? Am I streaming too late? I'm doing this to help you guys, so I'm not doing it for myself. Or I am. It's nice to chat to you guys. So just let me know. Instagram, on Discord, WhatsApp. Hey, Chris, I have no idea, Chris. I don't know the people's background and stuff. Have a great Sunday, Magpie. Good luck with the visa and everything. Urgent help here. I don't know. I don't know too much about image processing. Yeah, you can ask the question and then see who can help. I don't know what you're listening to. Let's Get My Love. I have to play non-copyright music like this, because otherwise YouTube doesn't play it. Yeah, Krish, I think if you just Google, let's just see. Yeah, Krish, what about this? Google is amazing. So I just Googled OpenCV, and then I guess this is it. I'll send it now. I don't know how this group is, eh? It's the first thing that I Googled. But you're welcome to join them. Okay, cool guys. I'm gonna get... Yes. Why do you like the song? So it's quite cool. The no copyright songs you can use on your YouTube and stuff, and they won't sue you. You can't just play any music. Otherwise, when people rewatch the stream, there won't be any sound. Cool guys, have an awesome day. I'll see you guys next Saturday, Sunday. Let me know what day suits you, what time, and I'll try to be here that time. So I'll make more videos on Altium like you guys asked. Let me know if there's any other videos that you guys want me to make. I'm going to start the series with the macro keyboard now, so I'm quite excited about that. And then I'm going to try just go a bit slow, try to finish stuff off. Like I said, I've got the drone now, I've got the macro keyboard. I'm already planning something else, and I need to finish stuff. It's it's a flaw that I have, that I've got just so many ideas. I just want to do everything. But I'm gonna finish stuff, show it to you guys, give it to you guys, finish stuff. That's my goal for this year. Cool guys, have a fantastic Sunday. Till next time. Bye.